Creating email notification actions in Zoho CRM. Once you've logged in to Zoho CRM, go to Setup. From there, navigate to Automation and then select Actions. By default, you'll land on the Email Notifications tab. To create a new action, click the Add New Email Notification button. On the new email notification page, start by entering a name for the notification. Next, select the module for which you're creating this action. Now, click on Choose Recipients and select who should receive the email notification. You can choose an email field from the module or select recipients from groups, roles and subordinates, territories and subterritories, or individual users from the drop-down list. Once you've made your selection, click Save. Apart from this, you can also notify additional recipients by manually entering their email addresses here. Next, click Select Template and choose the required email template. You can also configure the From and Reply To email addresses as needed. Once everything is set, click Save. After the email notification is used in any automation rule, it will be displayed here in the list. From here, you can edit or delete the email notification whenever required. Every great solution starts with an idea. Tell us your vision, and we'll design the next steps and workflow to bring it to life. DM us or comment now. We will provide this in 1 hour.